Hey Nelson, what you doing?
Well, good question. I grew up on TV advertising. I love TV advertisements. Some of the best I've ever seen were some of the most memorable things I ever had in my life. So I've got a TV and when I advertise the durability of this TV, as everybody knows, I like fixing TVs. This one has a minor problem, but I'm going to show you just how good I can fix it where it doesn't have any more problems. Let's go back here and I'll show you how I can fix that thing. This one of them fixing jobs you gotta get your glasses on. PPE, of course. Let's see if I can fix it. I've been working on how quick I can fix these TVs. I'll demonstrate. First, you gotta load the thing. And you gotta pull the trigger. I think that fixed it.